Greetings. It's Eric back at the Naturopath. Thanks for coming back. CanXida Restore is back in stock, finally. Finally, we had to wait. We got another big batch made, and hopefully now we won't run out for a while. So thank you all for contacting me and asking me when the heck this stuff's coming back in. And a lot of people really want to partner up the CanXida Restore, of course, with our amazing CanXida Remove and Rebuild. So all those three work synergistically, regardless if you have SIBO or Candida, if you've got inflammatory bowel disease. Be sure to please watch the playlists which I've created regarding the CanXida products. So there's separate playlists for each of the three products, but just watch them all because I talk about dosages and what's in them and how to use them and all those kinds of things. So, but yeah, they work very well in conjunction with the MEVI diet, meat, eggs, vegetables and yogurt. But I have many vegan patients over the years who were taking the, sounds like Los Angeles out there, doesn't it? Sounds like Los Angeles, all right. Yeah, they were taking, these products, even in a vegan diet, not a problem at all. So whether you're a meat eater or a vegan or whatever, it doesn't matter, okay? So I know that the CanXida products are going to work for a majority of people. I also completed recently another video on why the CanXida products cost the way they do, because many people are saying they're costly, why are we paying this for it, and can't you make them cheaper? And of course I can make them cheaper. We can make anything cheaper. But the thing is, you won't be happy, all right? You won't be happy, okay? I always select the highest quality raw materials I can for my products, and that comes at a cost, unfortunately. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. It's back in stock, so when you're ready, it's yours. Thanks for tuning in.